Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Cora. Today I have an unboxing video for you for the Louis Vuitton Escale collection for 2020, the Neonoe. And I just got this box delivered yesterday and I've been patiently waiting again to open it up for you guys, or with you guys. Alrighty. So I'm going to be doing close-up shots of the bag and also doing on the body shots for it so we can have a better look of what it looks like. So here is the envelope with the receipt information. Been very excited about this bag. I know I love the colors of it from looking over the mini pochette and the Speedy Bundler 30. Oh, it's so pretty. There you go. So there's the front with the drawstring. This is in the pastel pink. Here's the side. One side is a large monogram and the other side's the regular size Louis Vuitton. And then here's the other side. And then here's the back. So let's go ahead and start doing a close-up shot on it. So this is the Louis Vuitton Escale Summer Collection 2020 in the Neonoe. And it's in a tie-dye monogram canvas, as you can see in the front, and it's in pastel pink. You have the giant monogram in the front with its drawstring, which is actually glides really nicely when you just pull down that tab to open it up. And on the side, you have the giant monogram on one side and then the regular size monogram on the other, with the multiple colors of the tie-dye, which is the pink, yellow, light blue, lilac, and then yellow and pink. And then on the other side, you'll see the regular size monogram, and also in all the different colors. On the side also you'll see a D-ring, and that's where you'll be placing the shoulder strap, and then it has the little tag there. And this one says it's made in France. Then if you turn it around, you'll have the regular size monogram, which I actually really like about this bag is that one side you have the giant monogram and then you have the regular size monogram in the same colors. So also on the other side, same thing with the giant size monogram and the regular size monogram, the same colors, with its D-ring in the silver colored hardware, and then another tab that says Louis Vuitton. And this is a bucket bag. So the measurements of this bag, based off the website, it is 10.24 inches in height, 10.24 inches in length at the base, and the width of this is 6.89 inches in width. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and open it up. Inside, you'll see there's the pastel pink micro suede interior. A little booklet that it came with. And then here are the straps. So with this bag, you can make this into a crossbody and a shoulder carry bag with an adjustable strap. So it looks like right now it's in the crossbody. And just to change it into a shoulder carry, you just go ahead and unclip it if it's clipped, and then just kind of pull on each side to shorten it, and then you just clip it at the ends. So it looks like there's only two variations, a shoulder and a crossbody So for the shoulder strap, it says that the minimum drop length is 12.2 inches. And then the maximum drop is for the crossbody, which you would unclip it and pull on it and then just clip it here. The maximum drop for this is 21.3 inches. I already know this is gonna be pretty long for me, being only 4'9" and 3/4. So go ahead and unclip it, and I'm gonna put it as a shoulder carry. So just 2 lengths basically. And you just go ahead and grab the clasp, connect it to the D-rings on the sides. Okay, back to the inside, you'll see the pink lining, micro suede, and then you'll also see a slight divider there that is not connected to the bottom, but there's a divider there with a zippered pouch. And the divider itself is also the various colors that it is in the front or the rest of the bag. You can see that. And then there's the zipper. Opens nicely with also the pink lining. Not very big, but it opens up enough. Alrighty. So just go ahead and zipper that up, and then to close it up, just kind of pull on the drawstrings and slide up the tab. There you go, to give it that cute little shape. So it kind of maintains its shape. It's a pretty structured bag. I like the closure on this, even though it's just a drawstring. It looks like things won't be able to fall out of the bag very easily. And also on the strap, I wanted to mention this, there's this stitching on the strap itself. And there's stitching all along the edges on the top of the bag. I know some people have mentioned some, I guess called glazing, I think, on some of their Neonoes, that could be a problem. And at the bottom of the bag, you have the pastel pink in the regular size monogram. Such a pretty bag. It feels, doesn't feel that heavy. It's pretty light and very cute and adorable. There's the back. I really like that back side. Really love the small monogram and all those colors. On the side. And then on the front again. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do some mod shots on this. Well, thank you for watching my video on the Louis Vuitton Escale 2020 collection in the Neonoe. I actually really adore this bag. I like the way it's shaped. This is actually my first Neonoe that I've gotten, and I like that it's lightweight, structured. The shoulder strap on this. One thing I'd probably change on the strap is, you know, being only 4'9" 3/4, the crossbody length on this is pretty long, so obviously it doesn't work very well for me. It'd be nice if they actually had a little bit more choices or options on the length of the crossbody, since this only has 2 options. One for shoulder strap, which is a good drop length for me, and a couple more options on the crossbody. I enjoy the colors of this, of course, and the pastel pink and all the different colors and the tie-dye, and the fact that it has the giant monogram and also the regular size monogram, so you can interchange it on how you want to wear it. I also like the compartments on this with the flat pouch inside, and the different colors that the flat pouches has that's similar to the outside of the bag. And I didn't think I would like such an open bag. I feel like things would fall out, but the drawstring has been pretty good on this. It's not that easy to open, but then again, it's new, so we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, I really adore this bag. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got anything in the Escale 2020 collection. I know they've been pretty hard to get, it being sold out very quickly every time it comes back in stock. But yeah, I really love this bag. It's really cute. I hope you guys have a great day, okay? Take care. Bye.